How to set up automation on Grohubz. First, search for Grohubz on Google and click on the first website in the search results. The official Grohubz website will open. You can read more information here, and once you're ready, click on the Create Free Automation button. After that, the login page will open. Here, click on the Continue with Google option and log in. Once the login process is completed, the dashboard page will open. But before setting up automation, we first need to connect our Instagram account. For this, click on the Connect Instagram button. A pop-up will open. Simply press the Allow button. After that, you'll return to the dashboard, and now your Instagram account is successfully connected. Now let's set up automation. Go to the home page. Here you'll see analytics along with some cards at the top. From here, you can set up Reel automation, DM automation, and Story automation. Let's start with Reel automation. Click on Setup automation. A new page will open where your reels will be displayed. Select the reel on which you want to set up automation. Now a pop-up will open, and here we need to follow a few steps. Step 1. Set a keyword, or you can trigger automation for all comments as well. We'll use a keyword, for example, tool. Step 2. Enter your message, just like I'm doing here. Step 3. If you want to add a button, you can do that as well. Step 4. Set the comment reply. Whenever a user comments with the keyword, this reply will appear on their comment. Step 5. If you want to increase your followers, you can turn on the follow-up switch. This sends a follow-up message. We'll turn it on. You can either use a custom message or keep the preset one. Step 6. If you want to collect emails, you can enable the lead collect feature. For now, we'll keep it off. Finally, click on Activate Automation to save the automation. Now, how does this work? Whenever a user comments tool on your reel or post, they'll automatically receive a DM reply. Since we enabled the follow-up switch, it will ask them to follow the account. We followed the account and clicked the Done button, and after that we received the auto reply. That's how Reel automation works. Now let's see how DM automation works. Go back to the home page and click on the DM automation card. Then click on Create Automation. A pop-up will open. Here, set a keyword and also set the message that will be sent in the DM. If you want to send a link, you can add it using the button option. You can also turn on the follow-up switch or enable lead collect. Here, we want to collect leads, so we'll turn on lead collect. In the input box, type instructions such as please enter your email address. Once everything is done, click on Save Automation to save it. Now how does this work? A user will come into the DM and type the keyword. After that, they'll receive the lead collect message that we set. Once the user sends the email address, they'll automatically receive the auto reply. All the collected emails will appear in the lead section on the dashboard. Now, let's see how story automation works. Just like DM automation, we can set up story automation in the same way. Click on Story Automation and select the story on which you want to set up automation. A pop-up will open. Here, choose whether you want to send auto replies to all replies or only for specific keywords. We want to send auto replies for all replies. After that, set the auto reply message. Then, if you want to enable lead collect or follow get options, you can turn them on. You can also add buttons if needed. Finally, save the automation.
Now, how does this work? Whenever a user views your story and replies to it, they'll automatically receive the auto reply message. So friends, how did you like these features of Grohubz? Let us know in the comments and support this small startup.